Today in class 9 chemistry we will see about the language of chemistry. First starts with the atomic symbol. There is a if we see the atomic symbol is actually the communication of a very important type of chemistry. First, actually, even scientists would like to share their finding with the fellow scientist. Alchemist was also known as a philosopher. Strange symbol, puzzling sign, recording this finding. The motive behind this was to keep their knowledge secret from others. So the symbol used by them were mythological origin. The alchemists were not agreed among themselves of the choice of many symbols. So here also you will see the diagram of alchemist symbol. Now after that Dalton symbol came, that the John Dalton symbolic notation of circle or represent of atom of various element. Atoms are different element differentiated by different marking on this circle. The compound atom, later called molecules, were denoted by the group of this circle. So now after that, here also you will see Dalton's symbolic representation of element. Now after that Berzelius atomic symbol came, that the first adaptive system of atomic symbol introduced by Swedish chemist Berzelius. Proposing the system of atomic symbol suggested is easier to write abbreviated word to draw a figure. The chemical beginning ought to letter for the greater facility of writing. Further said, I shall therefore take for the chemical sign the initial letter of the common name or Latin name or Greek name of each element. Thus element carbon assigned as C, hydrogen of He, H, and oxygen O, nitrogen N, phosphorus P, and so on. So these are the way by which actually he represent the symbolically the atom. So now if we see the now after that some Latin name also came, that is cuprum for copper. If cadmium is there, then Cd, then calcium for Ca. These are respectively coming after one after another. The modern atomic symbol, if we see for certain element, the symbols are element consist of the first letter of its common name, Latin or Greek name maybe, or some elements having the first letter, and the symbol consists of two letters. There is the first letter followed by the another not in common. That letter is coming, like hydrogen for H, carbon for C, oxygen for O, but krypton for Kr, antimony for stibbium, Sb, ferrum for iron, Fe. So what are the definition of atomic symbol? The symbol of an element is actually abbreviation for the full name of the element. The symbol of element is shorthand notation for its name, and Greek name also coming and that purpose. And what are the significance of symbol if we see? The quantitative, if we see the what are the what is actually its main criteria of symbol, how actually we represent, what are the main criteria for that purpose. Element, if we see properly, that element symbol is actually first name of the element. The symbol depend for his main for his quantity of the element present. The symbol also depends mass of the element and contains how many numbers, Avogadro numbers of atom. Like if O for oxygen stands for the element of oxygen, the atom for oxygen, the mass of oxygen is actually, that is the O represent number of 16 gram of oxygen, and mass of oxygen is Avogadro number 6.023 in 10 to the power 23 oxygen atom. So today up to that, next we will start with the valence electron.